Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I want to show you the best pair of pants I have ever owned. Now, I know what you're thinking. Yeah, right, the best pair of pants you've ever owned. But I'm coming at you from a bigger girl's perspective. I want to wear these pants every day. I love leggings because they're not tight around my waist, but I can't always wear leggings because they're not always appropriate for the occasion. But these pants feel as comfortable as leggings, but you can dress them up for date night. You can wear them to work. They are ready for whatever occasion you need them for, even if it's just lounging around the house. These are the perfect pants. They come in many different colors and they're true to size. I wear an extra large and they fit me great. Not too big, not too tight. They're just perfect. They're made out of a wonderful stretchy material, so they're not too tight or loose around the legs and around the thighs and around my waist, which I love. So they've also got 4 pockets, 2 back pockets and 2 front pockets, which is something that my favorite leggings don't supply, so that's fantastic. And I love that you can dress this up. I have it here with a sweater, or you can wear it very casual and it still looks really cute. I've even dressed this up with a pair of heels and a nice tuck-in shirt, and it still looks great any way that you wear it. These are fantastic. And that's my point of view.